So how to start a business with no money, the exact blueprint followed by the 1%. Most people never build a business, not just because they lack money, not because just they lack the skills, but because they would lack the mindset, they lack the strategies, they lack how to use other people's money to build a right business, as well as they miss right folk who can guide them. Because it is important to follow a right coach in order to avoid some mistake and to become closer towards your goal in short span of time. Because most people are just waiting for the money, they are just waiting for the luck, or they are just waiting someone to save them. And let me tell you the brutal truth: no one is going to save you. Your life, your family life, your healthier version, your version who is closer to your financial goal completely depends on you. If you are here for the excuses, just drop off from this video. But if you are here to understand what is the right mindset strategy is required, or what is the right blueprint followed by the 1% who didn't hide any money in their pocket and still they made it, then this video is for you. So if you are ready to dominate, no matter what is your bank balance, lock in. I'm Pranshu Agrawal. I help people to not beg for the sales but to command authority and command results. So let's destroy the myth that you need money to craft a business. I started my first business through social media marketing, which takes zero money, but I start gaining money $1,000 to $3,000 in 6 months of that journey, and within 1.5 years I was making $8,000 every month through that business. So later it got wiped out and I started my social media marketing agency and multiple businesses. I will let you know about that, but before that let me tell you, I built those businesses from zero knowledge. I learned those things along the way from the successful people, just like you are watching from me. You are learning those tactics from me who built some businesses in his life. So I already mentored young hustlers, almost 2,500 people along the world who started with nothing and they are making around 3 figures, 4 figures, 5 figures, and some of them are making 6 figures of dollars every month in their businesses. Because I have seen rich kids fail and broke ones made successful, huge amount of profits in their life. The difference, the mindset they own, the strategy they execute, and what are the learnings they are having in their life, and what successful coaches they are following. Because let's be complete honest, in the current era, in the internet, there are so many fake gurus you can't identify, because that's so easy to make up some things on the social media. If you saw my earlier videos, I never flashed my bikes, I never flashed my money, I never flashed anything on those videos. Those were completely brutal about the strategies, about the execution, about the mindset. But other fake gurus, what they are doing, they are renting supercars, they are renting houses, they are renting a lot of things in order to make you see that they own Lamborghini, they own multiple houses, they own mansions. I'm not doing that thing, because I want my people to learn the right things and build businesses rather than just following flashy things and renting out and making people stupid by sharing some courses. I'm not selling any courses to you. So today I am going to hand over you the exact playbook or the blueprint followed by the 1% to make successful business in their life with no money. So let's start with the brutal truth first. Afterwards I will be sharing my exact blueprint to become a millionaire in upcoming 3 years. So you don't have business just because you lack money. No, you are not going to make any successful business because you are programmed to wait for the permission. You are programmed to wait for the right time. You are programmed to get some funding, to have some mindset of that I will be getting funding from my parents or my close ones, then afterwards I will start my journey. No, scarcity is your biggest weapon. Understand, if you don't have the resources, you have a lot of time to work around, to learn, to master those things. Because in the scarcity time, when you have nothing, it forces you to overwork. It forces you to learn from the people who are better in their industry. It forces you to leave your comfort zone. It forces you to outsmart everyone else with your efforts, with your hardships you are owning, and with the learnings you are taking from the successful people. The world don't rewards the person who just consumes. The world rewards the person who creates. Did you thought even once in your life that most people who are just consuming, they are on the 99% level, or just making money to live their bare minimum life? But the people who are the creators, they are millionaires, billionaires, they have everything they wanted in their life. They are not just earning money for their daily spends, they are earning money for the flashy things, for the flashy mansions, for the flashy cars, for the flashy dreams they have. Let's be complete honest, whenever you went for the shopping with your parents or with yourself or with your girlfriends, whenever you are going for the shopping, you always look for the price tag. You always look for the things that whether I'm going to own it, or you usually avoid those places who are too expensive. Am I right? But these people don't. These people just walk into the most expensive stores in the town, in the street, and they just walk out with the multiple things, not just with the one thing. They own multiple bags, they own multiple things, and they never ever looked once on the price tag. So that's type of millionaire or billionaire I really want you to become. So here on, you are not going to consume. Here on, you are going to provide. So coming to the exact blueprint, which is zero framework. Yeah, zero framework. Let me tell you what it stands for. Z stands for zone of genius, your unfair advantage. When you don't have enough resources, you outwork everyone. You learn those things from the successful people by reading books, by following videos, and lastly, ruthlessly executing all those advices. Coming to the E stands for exchange value first before you consume. R stands for resourcefulness before even asking for the resources, and O stands for optimization skill. This zero framework seems to be pretty easy, pretty simple, but when you start executing it, you will understand that you lack a lot of knowledge. Let's be complete honest, you never build a business, or you try to build some businesses in your life, but you are not successful successful way. That's why you are here to understand those strategies, right? This zero framework will eventually help you to become successful in the life. Let's start talking about every part of zero one by one. So let's talk about zone of genius, your unfair advantage in your life. Thank you for being a part of this whole journey. If you really want to kick off your sales as well as business journey and you are ready to take the next step to become a young millionaire or the first millionaire in your family, then subscribing will ensure you for your continuous learning and the right strategies, practical tips which will eventually kick off your business. So join us, a community of like-minded peoples as well as the folks who are nailing their journey. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on all notifications. Let me know what is the biggest challenge you are facing in your sales journey in the comment section right now. So start obsessing about what you don't have and start obsessing about what you have. What I mean about this thing, maybe you are a natural communicator, maybe you are social media marketing ninjas like me, or you are a relentless problem solver. Weaponize those skills, man, because I see just like cool students as well as college students making 3K, 5K dollar online by using their communication skills for some businesses. I saw some people who are good at setting the appointments who are making 5K to 10K dollars for the businesses. I saw people who are good at teaching or coaching other folk regarding some communication, some schooling stuff, or some any other stuff of coaching businesses, and they are making 10K dollars per month. And why not you? Because you are thinking in your mind that I lack funds, I lack the right opportunity in my life, that's why I'm not going to become a millionaire, that's why I will not be able to start any businesses in my life. But you are completely wrong. You need to understand what are my right skill set and how you can weaponize them. So here's the action step for you. You need to write down 3 things you do better than most of the people, and you just need to understand how you can monetize those skill sets. And maybe you are not so sure what are the skill set you own which you do better than other folks. So what I did when I asked this question to myself, I reached out to my 5 closest people and I asked them, what is the one thing or 2 things I do better than you or than other folks, than the people in our group? And they told me that, Pranshu, you are good at communicating. Another one told me, Pranshu, you are good at mastering the things. And last one told me, Pranshu, you know how to manage your time and you know how you can help other people in any part of the business by helping them to understand how to build a system. So these were the 3 things I do better than most people. So reach out to your 5 closest folks and ask them, what are the 3 things I do better than you or the people we have in the group? Coming to the second part of zero framework, which is exchange value first, give before you get. Amateur are always ask how I can make money, but pros or the millionaire ask what I can deliver, what I can do free of cost. Because let's be complete honest, when you start solving problems, people start reaching out to you, they start paying you. If you talk about the brands, if you talk about the businesses who are doing millions or billions of profits every year, what they're doing, they started their businesses, they started helping people, they start offering free services in the starting, they let their work they let their work creates credibility in the market. And when they got few people who are keen interested in their services, who already saw results in their product or services, they just benchmark them, they just took the social proofs, they post on the social media, on the banners, on the advertisement, they hold those social proofs about the work, and the work starts speaking more about their businesses. People start speaking more about their businesses and they start charging the premium rates. You can't get the money first, you need to first deliver. And I always say, if you are just building your first business, try to offer your service for first 5 to 10 people at free of cost. They will get the results. Just mark them, benchmark them, take social proofs, get them to shoot a video that how your product or services help them, and eventually you will use those social proofs to charge premium rates from your ideal clients. Comment down right away what are the 3 things you do best than other people, and secondly, what is the one thing you think that you can create content about it and you can able to deliver more about it at free of cost in the starting. Because when I asked this question to myself, I was good at sales, so I start making content about sales and businesses. So let me ask you this thing, what is the one thing around which you can start creating content? Let me know in the comment section. If you don't have any niche, I will suggest you some niche. Comment down right away. I want to find out my expertise or niche I want to create a business around. Coming to the hard part of the zero framework, which is resourcefulness over resources. Make magic with nothing. So resources are limited, we both know this thing. Resourcefulness is infinite. What I mean about that, whatever you want to learn in the current era, everything is super easy to access. If you really want to learn how to create a website, learn WordPress on the weekend. If you really want to know how you can get customers, use Instagram, use Facebook, use WhatsApp, use YouTube to reach out to your ideal clients. Zero ad spend. Use LinkedIn too, because LinkedIn is the best platform which is still giving you organic reach in the current part. If you really want to get some credibility, start working with the clients by using social media platforms platform and start creating content to show your expertise. If you really want to hire a right team, you need to attract the right partners who share your vision. So these tools are completely free. Let's be completely honest. Most of the things are completely free to learn. It depends on you whether you are going to learn them, whether you are going to spare your free time to learn those things and to build your businesses, or you are going to spare your free time on the activities which is not going to contribute towards your goal. This is a completely brutal advice. We both know you can be a millionaire in upcoming 3 years if you spend your time rightly on right activities, but it is always about leaving your comfort zone. So we both know that most of the tools are free. It's only about how you use them. I have seen full businesses running on the Instagram, LinkedIn, Google Docs, no staff, no people, no office, nothing at all. But excuses are just the spectators. Winners are always executing the things. They are always weaponizing whatever are getting in their hand. Welcome, future sales master. Imagine you are waking every day knowing that you have the skill set to close any deal as well as the mindset to achieve the financial freedom. If you really want to become a sales expert, you need to hit the subscribe button, join the community of like-minded achievers so you can be pushed to your true potential and you can literally achieve the financial freedom in your life. So hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Coming back to the video. If I talk about myself, when I started my social media marketing business, there was many tools who were sharing that when you create a form, there will be multiple format, there will be multiple redirection you can make at every stage. But I used Google Docs in the starting because I didn't have the money to pay for those services just like Typeform. But later on I had. So in the starting, I just weaponized everything, whatever is within reach with me. So coming to the last part of the zero framework, optimize and scale and turn profit into power. So the moment you earn your first dollar, the moment you earn your first euro, you are not broke. You are a business owner. Maybe you were thinking back in the mind, Pranshu, I just earned $1, €1. How I can become a business owner? You sold something. In exchange, you got the money, right? Now you need to sell this thing repetitively in order to make your first $100,000, $10,000 or even $1 million. So now scale, reinvest profit, automate, build systems in your business, delegate what you can, because what I see in the last 7 years of my career that most business people are doing the things which they don't need to, which can be easily delegated. You need to understand delegation is the power. If you are able to delegate most of your work, build systems around that, people can learn and work around. You are going to scale a business. You are going to create a business which is going to work 100 years down the line. And obviously, you need to hire right folks in your team who are supercharged, who are super focused in their journey, that they want to get elite level expertise. And I want to share one thing with you that I am coming closer. In my career, I also saw that if you really want to become elite in anything, and when you try to hire those elite people in your team, because you now need to delegate the things, they learn from you, they got groomed by your hand, by your knowledge, and they start leaving you because they now have some knowledge where they can get some of the client. What you need to do, you need to love those people. I never hold those people in my life. If they said, Pranshu, I need to go, I will be making my own businesses, I just say, that's fine, go build your own business. Because when you try to hold people, they will eventually slip from your hand just like a sand. But if you love them, they will come back. If you love them, they will help you to scale your business and they will help you to lead one department of your business, because every person can master only one skill set, and later on they will still work in your company, they will still make their businesses, and they will be the most loving, taking care part of your business. So never hold people, love them and let them choose whether they want to work with you when they become elite in that particular skill set or not. So scaling is not about working more. Scaling is all about delegation. Scaling is all about working smarter. The scaling is the goal which makes you come closer towards your freedom, towards your financial freedom, towards your physical freedom, and that's only can be done by building systems, by delegating your work to the right folks. Because let's be completely honest, if you out for a week and your business is not making profits, then you are working for the business is not working for you. Eventually your goal must be that business works for you, not you are working for the business. And for this, you need to build systems, you need to delegate your work, and you need to put your business in the automation mode. And I also created a video how you can automate your business for almost 100 years down the line. If you really want to know how you can automate your business, comment down right away how I can automate my business for the 100 years. And I will share premium video, automate your business in the 100 years. Coming to the last part of this video, which is the mindset shift or perception shift. And let's be completely honest, you can't build a business if you are working with a mindset of a poor people. So the honest truth is, money is not a barrier for your business. Yeah, that's true. Money is not a barrier for your business. Your mindset is. So stop thinking like an employee who is just whining about the things that he does not have that thing. That's why he's not elite in that particular department, something like that. Because they are always asking for the permission. While a millionaire or the person who is building business start creating the opportunity in their life. So the difference between poor people or the people who are making good in their businesses or making good in their life is simple. Poor people say, I can't because I don't have, while the rich most people, while the people who are building great businesses, they always say, I will because I must. I will because I must. That's the difference between whining and winning. That's the difference between poor people and the rich people. So let me share you a case study about the John. John lives in the Australia, and he was just 22 years old. He was trying to get a job in Australia, and later on he realized that he does not own the skill set that is really required to get that job. So he had $50 left in his pocket, and he had a phone. So what he did, rather than just whining about his situation, rather than just saying that I don't have enough resources, what he did, he created his Instagram account. He started reaching out to the local restaurants, and he started communicating with them that I can help you to jump off your sales up to 40 to 50%, and I will handle your social media pages so that you will be getting those people. They got agreed. They told them that they will be paying only $100 in the starting per month, and he got agreed because he didn't had any money after this month. So he started engaging with their pages. He started reaching out to the customer. He started posting content on a daily basis, and he started building audience in 2 weeks. So the sales jumped up to 40% within 1.5 months, and they start paying more to John. John scaled from $100 to $1,000 within 3 months. Later on, he tried to delegate some work. He tried to hire more folks for him, and he jumped up to $7K per month within 1.5 years in his business. And later on, he scaled that business up to $20K per month. I know you will be thinking, Pranshu, you are just bluffing the things. No, the reason I'm sharing this story with you, that ask yourself, in most of the situations you are just whining about the things that I don't have resources, I don't have time, I don't have supported people in my life, I don't have this, I don't have this, I don't have that. But if you start thinking that I don't have, that's okay, but in the future I will be having everything, so I need to work on something to make the amount of money. So when you have this mindset shift that I will be working and I will be achieving those things no matter what is the condition, you start gaining right people in your life, you start making money, you start gaining and achieving your goals, and that's how you are going after more goals in your life. So never complain about what situation you are surviving, thriving from, and this will eventually help you to become a powerful person or a best version of yourself. So I have a challenge for you, a 48-hour challenge. Hey, quick pause. If this value resonates with you and you are eager to learn the secrets of sales success and business success, subscribing this channel will ensure you never miss out the strategies to change your life, to change the path of your business. Join the community of go-getters, transform your life, subscribe to my channel, and turn on all notifications so you can achieve the sales transformation as well as the business transformation. So let's start your first business by using this 48-hour challenge. Find out one problem, only one problem you will be solving. Just research about it, find your one day how you can solve it, what will be the right system, how you will be reaching out to the ideal clients in that market. Start reaching out by calling them, by messaging them, and you will eventually land 1 to 2 clients easily within a week. After landing them, start helping them to get the transformation, get the results. Document everything from the starting. This will be your proof of concept, and most people will watching and do nothing. That's not how you are going to build your business. You need to start acting right away. You really want to become an elite in your industry, whatever things you do. If you really want to make any business successful, you need to act now. Take this 48-hour challenge. Comment down, I'm taking this 48-hour challenge, and whatever the resources you require, whatever the help guidance you require, I will be helping. Not with the money, honestly, but with the resources, with the knowledge or guidance you need. So comment down, I am taking this 48-hour challenge, and I will be more happy to help you out. So if you are serious to build your empire from zero, if you are serious to learn sales within 45 days and build a personal brand which attract right clients, right people in your life in upcoming 45 days. So comment down 10x elite domination, and I have 3 pots left in the current quarter. And if you are really a person who really wants to do something with their life, I will be reaching out to you. I will be helping you out. This is not a free training. This is not a free mentorship. This is a paid mentorship. So if you're really serious about your life, you really want to learn sales through which you can make $10,000 to $1 lakh per month in upcoming 90 days and create a personal brand which eventually pull $5K to $10K every month through social media in your account, comment down 10x elite domination now. So every billionaire or millionaire started with nothing, but they had the idea, they had the guts to act over it. Your empire starts now because you watched this till end of the video. So I'm assuming you are super serious about your life. Even if you don't have money, this 0-step framework will help you. Even I have a paid mentorship for you. If you really want to learn sales and develop a personal brand which attract dream clients, then this is your right time. Even if you follow this 0 strategy, you will be a millionaire upcoming 3. So subscribe to my channel, tap on the bell icon if you really want to become a millionaire in your life. And I congratulate you because not everyone sticks to the end. And if you are still watching this video, you have a urge to become a millionaire. And I personally eventually help you. So comment down what is the most frustrating problem you have in your life, in your business, and I will be making a detailed video if I will be getting some time to my businesses, which will eventually pushes you or give you so much momentum in your business that you will be making profits in upcoming 3 months. But before that, we don't know what routines you need to have, what habits you need to cultivate on a daily basis to become a millionaire in upcoming 3 years. Not in 3 months, not in 6 months, not in 1 year, in upcoming 3 years. And this is the time for you. Watch out this video, else you will not be a millionaire, else you will not be making any business. So watch out this video right now to cultivate millionaires habit in your life. Watch out right now.